Sorry. Hi everyone, it's me, that one, Gemmy Stuff 12, and today is gonna be the first unboxing of a bunch of boxes of Gemmy Stuff I ordered. Yeah. This got here first, I guess, so there should be 2 others coming today as well. Also, sorry if my voice sounds weird. It's just because, like, I have a cold. So, yeah. But, here we go. Start. I won't show you the top, though, because obviously that has my name and the seller's name. So, let's see. It's hard to do it one-handed. Hold on one sec. Okay, here we go. Ugh. Sorry about this. I'll just pause it and do it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a peek of what it is. And you have to try to guess. Oh. Okay guys, ready for the big unveil? Here we go. It is Boney Barney. Yeah. I've wanted this ever since I saw it at Menards in 2008 and 9. Finally I got it. I'm super happy. The best part is it even comes with the Try Me button. That is awesome. Here he is.